Blessed day. I'm here to show you again another tricks on our view menu. So we will go on view and then let's have the viewports. How can we use the viewports? So it is advisable to use if we want to show on 2 or 3 or 4 viewports, we will activate each of the viewports on our view menu and then viewports. If we have to get the 2 viewports in vertical enter, we can see that there is a top view here and a front view on different 2 settings. But you will activate each of these model space one at a time. So we can see here on top view, maybe we could draw a cylinder here on top view. We can see the top side of the cylinder using 5, and then here on elevation view it is already given with a height. So from level 0, your x displayed here on our left coordinates, and then the y represent our height here on our front view. So meaning there is an elevation already. How about if we want to have again a view on 3, and then let's have, if we want to have above or below, or maybe it could be on our right or horizontal. So we can see from here, this will be on our 3D views. We can use a perspective view. So that's how we can use each of the multiple view. Actually, we can see here on a perspective view, we can see here on a top view, and here, what is the advantage of this viewport? So if we want to have, check the height, the radius on the top, and maybe an elevation view. So it could be on a right side. So if this is on a front, there is a right side, and then that will be the advantage of using the multiple view. So go back to our viewports and then make it on single viewports, and then it will go back to our model space in one viewport only. So that is the advantage if you want to check different view or elevation view or maybe on perspective view. So if you want to have all those view and switching to our visual style, we can see this from our left button on our model space. So that's we can use on our basic 3D modeling. So if I'm going to use here, again, on a northwest, so I can see the other side, southeast, and then that will be my drawing now. Sample of a sphere. I could select here from the bottom, on the top rather, of the cylinder, and then I could go on quadrant from here. So that will be now switching to our visual style realistic. So this now can be the representation if we want to go back to our view, and then let's have viewports in 3. Then let's have right. And then if we want to use this on top, and then different visual style, then we want to have it on our right, and that will be our presentation of our drawing. I can just move lang, drag. So that is sphere, and that will be now see in our model space. It should be observed with that given viewport. So if I'm going to activate on this model space, and then here, and then activate here. So that's all. Thank you, Lord. God bless. like and subscribe my channel.